How to get virtual on Wise application. So this is what it looks like, and how are we going to get this? Of course, first you have to launch your Wise application, and then you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. If you don't have an account yet, then you need to sign up for your account. If you have an account already, then all you have to do is to log in. So if you tap this get started, you can log in or you can sign up. So what you want to do is simply go to card. You will see there an option right away on the homepage. You will see here different options. And one of these options is this card. So if you tap this one, you have options like home, send, recipient, but one of these options is this card. So if you tap that one, you will see options like local, which is your physical, and this digital card right here. So in order to get, all you have to do is to tap this get a digital card. And as you can see here, here are the benefits and advantage. Spend online, spend in store with Apple Pay, have peace of mind, instantly replace your card details. Tap this get a digital card, enter some information that are needed. This is just basic information, and then once done you will see that card over here, and that's how easy it is. Now you can also click that card details if you want to change some of your basic information, and once done, yes, you can pay through this card. You can buy, you can shop using your virtual card on Wise. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next tutorials.